pretty and nice. Yes, I. All of them here now, I go throw you in. Come on, all of them here gone in a pot here now. Come here to cook food, give the people them to them eat. I'm gonna look on them in a pan. Pretty. Put them on the fireside and go and keep warm. Rice and peas settings as we pray. When I put in rice in a pot, when you see it come above the water, you know say rice I go steam good. Fully active. What going now, peeps? Yeah, man, we're there up on the riverside. What do you say river name? I forgot to ask again, but if I not lie, they say river name Bobby River. Yes, Bobby over there, so uptown. Bobby, me know say come a country come get river. Man, come a country come own river, peeps. Yeah, man, but out where them call up yourself? Percy. Retreat. Yeah, man, the river there, retreat. Nice. Nice little river, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so soon show you that. But right now we are dealing in our kitchen. Some peas. So you know me I drop in some garlic in our peas. Yardman style. Yeah, man, make it go and go cook. That's how we do it in Jamaica. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, outdoor settings. Look at the peas. Them are some round red peas. Yeah, man, some nice round red. Then go boil off you know, with some garlic. Fully active yardman style. You know, say, see it there? Yeah, man, this we are going to deal with rice and peas, and over here, so we have some chicken. Yeah, we are going to curry some chicken and we are going to fry some chicken. So right now, chicken are going to thaw out. Soon as it done thaw out, we are going to chop them up and do fry some chicken and curry some chicken. So just do the right thing, subscribe to the channel, Yardman style with there, whole heap of people there. You know what I mean? Soon showing them, but me I go and get everything active in our kitchen. Nice kitchen, me come here, come see them with you know what I mean? One good thing, me have to go look at my fire tick, look there. Wow. Wow. Jamaica, nice peeps. Yeah, man, it's just a nice female passing by, you know what I mean? In a real life, Riverside look like it, I got active, so you know what I go on now. Me and the team, we just have to cook some good food and give them to eat. And that always happen, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active, man. We outside, I do the right thing. Rice and peas, fried chicken. Rice and peas, fried chicken and curry chicken, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active. Subscribe to the channel. We outside. I see chicken here now. Yeah, kind of a little bit tough. But you know, say, clean him out same way. Yes, and cut him up because our curry chicken and fried chicken. So me I go make sure it's skinny. Yeah, man, take off his skin. Yeah, that's me. And then I cut him up here now. What me deal with first? Fry or curry. Alright, I see what I go on with the fry. Yeah, man, see it? Then I have to fry. Yeah, man. Done. Wash them off back. But them there I go fry peeps. You know people love fried chicken breast. So I make sure fry whole heap of the breast. Yeah, man, see? Yardman style. Yeah, man, just do one thing and cut them one way, and now same time I fry them. Each person can just get one in a them plate or two piece, and you know a thing set. Yes, man, fully active outside, man. I'm back in full colors. Yeah, you know, so my channel get suspended one at a time. Yeah, Cause I don't know who I report my video them and yo, a whole heap of thing I go on people. But no say, the new year, me there, fully active, fitter than before. Yo, person, me have a next knife there. You see it for me? Cause that, you see that knife for peeps? See the boat drop off, you see that knife yeah? Show them. The man you have here so. So like when the match chop, yeah man, I two of them looking at that pan there. Yes, right. That's a code. Yeah man, so your knife work. Yes. So knife work, peeps. The knife they could work, so see now you know. So all this bossing. You see me? So first you don't know, you buy your mixed parts. I gotta clean them out. In a real life, make sure some clean out nice. Then me now, I don't like chicken skin. So I remove the chicken skin. Yeah man, you remove chicken skin and I remove the oily bag. So when you heat, nothing no bother you. No skin, no oily bag, I just straight good food. See pre? That's how you know. Alright. See that? Yes. That's a code. So I just go through, line up the set then when I go fry. And then I line up the next set. Bless. When I go curry. Yes, I go on with the fire now, Percy. Percy round there line up with morning. Percy round there line up with fire, you know. So you know it's a good look.
Fully active.
Yes, I.
Active my page. I'm on myself, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Christmas to you all and a prosperous new year when it come, yeah? Big up on myself. Active.
Yes, I. Chicken breast, I look on now and you're fat. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, I'm me, man. Me there. Sir, boss. You them ask if me no know who. Sir, you pass and you see me. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yes, Pips. No people them take time. I reach in you know. So me, do what me have to do. Look on them piece, good amount of chicken in there, you know. Chicken breast, chicken wing, chicken leg. You know the thing go. So, I wait it them. We fire it them.
Then they run the command, so we don't make this one ease up a little bit. You want to fire something?
Oh yeah man, you can't carry them in man. Or you left them on the crime scene. You what kind of man? We come here and see some fire tick and we use some fire tick and then take them and left them on the crime scene. Come push them on the fire man. I know we can see them. Yes, you need to hide. Alright, sir. So you say them the solid? Melissa blow them down. Don't go cut them up, alright, sir. Yeah, man, fully active.
Okay, that's good. Good. Move on.
Only patch chicken is fry now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 27. piece. Give them 130 piece of fried chicken. A 30 piece of fried chicken, my peeps. I have to just make sure it's meat clean up good. Yes, sir. Yeah, well, you just look into me and say you left them on the crime scene. So make you get him. No, I just show you left them out there, someone. You see it.
Next thing again, I forgot to call them back out and chop
Hmm?
them.
No, but you can't chop me around there, someone. You can't chop me around them, man. Right. 30 a piece of chicken, this in a piece. Them here, you know, can line up. Let me see how much line up, you know, if you curry some. When them chop up fine, whole heap of chicken. You want them here, clean out them here, and curry them here. You see, pray? Yes, I. Chop up some fine, you know. The curry. No, if you curry same way, you do the same thing. Skin my chicken.
One touchy pot.
Mm-hmm.
Sunrise of the sauce. Oh boy.
Yeah, man. So if I take them about shot, peas are catch color. Right. Then you know I gotta do what my peeps, chop up fine for curry. Yeah, man, some curry chicken. You know that Jamaican love their curry chicken, you know. That one removes chicken skin, fully active. Go over there, so. I wear so much chicken want to fry go. Don't you know, I cut up my onion, garlic, scallion and thyme and pepper with my jerk seasoning and chew on my curry. Oh God. Cause I can put on the curry pot, you know, cause the peas are pressure. So while the peas are pressure, you know, I can cook the curry. When the curry done, cook, the peas must done pressure so I can put in the rice and start fry some chicken. Forward to Jamaica and you want to experience something like this, nothing wrong. You can leave a comment or you can look in at the description. You will see my number or you will see my email address. Just send me a text and let me know what time it is and we can link up, cook some food for you and the friends and family. Yeah, man. in a real life. All if I one person too. Post you alone a come to Jamaica and you want to experience something like this, the real authentic food. You can check Sunrise Boss, man. Not sure only one person. Still cook for one person. You know what I mean? Yes, I. If you know a friend I come, tell them about me. Where that's where they're gonna get the best food. Believe me. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, the best food right here. On the riverside. Cook from start to finish. You see everything. Just a season up and trust me. When the food done cook and you eat this a food, yeah, it come like a meat season up 6 months ago. And as you can see, it just a go season up. Yeah, man, but cooking a way me like, you know what I mean? And cooking like me too. Yeah, man, curry chicken. So let me know in the comment section if you love curry chicken. Let me know in the comment section which one of them you prefer today. The rice and peas with the fried chicken and curry gravy, or you prefer some curry chicken and rice and peas. Over there. Over there. Alright, almost done you know, you know. Yes, I almost done you know. I think I one piece left. If none left. Don't like chicken skin, man. When you season up the chicken with the skin, or the skin you season up and the chicken itself. So I like remove the skin and season the chicken. One wing left. Yes, I see it there. Feel like more teeth, 2 pieces of breast from out here. And chicken breast. Chicken breast. Alright, good with them. Look at this now, peeps. Good amount of chicken this one, this curry. And when them are fry, whole heap of chicken. You know what I mean? So, we check back this again, nothing in this. So what I'm going to do now, clean up my surface. Clean up my surface and then me start do some seasoning up. When we're ready to start do some seasoning up, me show you what time it is. Do the right thing, subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Percy around so you know I chop some fire tick. So we are cut up the next fire, put on the curry, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, in a real life, we're outside. Do the right thing, you know what I mean? So do the right thing, subscribe to it. That a code. Fire burn ready up, peeps. Yeah, man. It's a good look. Pot the pan fire. Peas are boil. Yes, science. We're going in and catch. Hey, look at that, peeps. Nah, turn it over, man. Look at that. Yardman style. Peas are bubble. Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. Fully active. Line up now and catch our next fire there, so can put on the curry. First, you line up the next fire around this up, peeps. Yes, I. It's a good look, man. Soon showing up on the riverside. I know I don't want to see riverside, you know. I know I don't want to see it, but I have to reach somewhere in the kitchen first, you know what I mean? Yeah man, when I put on the curry, I can go show you the river. Yard man style. Up, down. I mean, see venue peeps, venue nice, you know. Whole heap of car can park and something. Outside I do the right thing. It's that time, you know, my peeps. Yeah man, season up, you know. Yeah, you know when you season up, put on onion, garlic, scallion, thyme. I don't know how you season up your thing, you know, peeps. But this is how me season up mine. Yeah man. Fully active, see generally just a forward. That a code.
Yeah, man. What that?
Yes I. There I do. What me do best? Cook some food. Alright, skin off the onion, cut up the onion, throw them over that. Some onion and pepper, scallion and thyme. Yeah, I too. Let me have more. Oh yeah man, me have more onion. Cause me have some vegetable more steam. So you know. So me have to have onion to steam the vegetable. Just I throw them in some water, get them clean, cut up. You know what time it is. Alright, see them here now. Wash off. You just cut them up to how you want to cut them up. If you don't want to cut them up, you can just fling them in it. But me I cut up mine. Onion. Onion is a must. Garlic, scallion, thyme, pepper. All of them there is a must. This is what we call yardman style. Now use a board to cut up the seasoning and just cut them up in my hand. Alright, scallion and thyme. You know you have to strip it off. And then you have to strip them. See, strip and take off what you don't want. And one of the panny. I see that now. Cut up time. Alright, see that? What is this? What is this? That good man. What is this? Pepper. Remember the pepper, you know where the pepper you come from? My farm. Remember the farm around at the back of my yard where I plant some pepper. Around them I pick off them off. You know pepper scarce. I go search around there and I find pepper. Yeah, you know curry, go with pepper. Yeah man. See you know? Trouble did it. Yeah man. Trouble did the peeps. You know you settle. You put some time. Cause you know it's what? Cooking time. Yeah man, and you know curry can't bad without what peeps. Curry can't bad without the ginger. Yeah man, you have to put in the ginger. Beat him up, wash him off, and cut him up fine. Yeah man, I don't like see ginger in a pot big like a piece of meat. No, if it's fine, cut it up fine with peeps. Yeah man, you see it? Yeah man, dice you up. See him there? Alright. This is how you know me carrot. And yeah, me just a put everything in it. First you pass it jerk season the film, you know. Yeah man, cut up some carrot. Yeah man, jerk season and curry. Yeah. Better pack curry. You know that are the best curry. Yeah man, I have to check more time if the microphone on, you know, cause you know a thing go. You want to wash off and cut up carrot. So curry are gonna look pretty, taste nice, everything active. You must have said, so why you put everything pan here now you not put the season? Come on, everything to taste nice. So me I season up everything one time. You know what I mean? So you say peas done. Alright. But I say peas done cook. So we have Fabi me now. One Fabi there in a cup. Yeah man, you know it time we put on the pot pan the wood fire with Fabi. So easy for wash. Yeah man, see me. Carrot. See boss around us to show them what go on. Boss a Fabi pot. Come on, come show them what go on. Yeah man, that's how we do it, peeps. You rub some fab all over the pot. Don't rub it in the pot, you know. You have to rub it around the pot. When you put that pan in wood fire and you done cook and you wash it, you come back shine and pretty and nice. Believe no man, yard man style. You just rub some soap powder around it, my peeps. Pot there gonna be the rice pot. But I say peas done cook, so I turn out the peas in that and cook rice and peas. Irish are cut up over here, so you know. I'm gonna find that pretty though. Pretty. We're not putting a sweet pepper yet. You will put piece of sweet pepper in it. You know, sweet pepper expensive, you know. Uh, yeah, active. Yeah, man, $1,000 a pound for sweet. $1,000 a pound for sweet pepper, you know, peeps. Yeah, yes, I see, you know, fully active. You say, are you a fans of curry? If you is a fans of curry, link up Sunrise Boss. Cook the best curry I had. And no cap. The best curry, me cook that. Look at that now, please. This is the jerk season in Jamaica. We call it jerk season. Look right here. So show them what I want. It's a pimento seed that just jump out tight. So this is the only thing you need to season up your meat. Trust me. You don't need no other season. You just need a jerk season. Alright, look at that. Rub everything together. Look on that, peeps. Yeah, man. See in there? Oh, God. Pretty. Give him some more jerk season. Rub. Look at that. Pretty. Time to do what you know. Curry. Yo, boss this stuff in the place. I'm gonna bust up the curry and throw some curry over it, you know. Then the next time you see this, you know, up on the fire, they're looking at it pretty, man. It's pretty. Peeps, I tell him to bust the curry. He really bust it for you. Look at man chop off all our curry top. And you see when you're cooking curry, you have to just know the right amount of curry to use. Because we don't deal with white curry, you see it? Yeah man, curry for stay in plate, but at the same time, too much curry will make your meat bitter. So you have to just know what you do. But me say curry, stay in plate. Yeah man, curry stay in plate. I put curry over the meat and I put curry in the aisle. Fry up some curry in the aisle. You see pre? Yes I. Right, look at this now, peeps. I'm to them, I think I chat things. You know what this, you know? I feel for this, you know, look at that. Pretty. On the gloves them. Corridor, stay and plate. Yeah man, this ready to go up on the fire, yeah, now, you know. Fully active. Fried chicken time for season up here now. Yeah. Same chicken me I deal with, so I can use back the same gloves over the chicken, you see it? Yeah. Got some bops. Cover that. Get little fresh water. Rinse off your hand. Wow, too much. Alright, that's a code. Chicken time now. People never eat curry fried chicken. Percy, where's some for the curry some fried chicken? Throw curry over here. Percy say yes, beef. But here we are going. Me not gonna do it now. You see when we are gonna cook one food, curry fried chicken. Show them what I go and look at these peeps. Yes. Same jerk season a season up everything. Everything it a season up. You just rub in a season. Yo. Look at this man. Look on this my peeps. Wow. Wow. Yes. And if you notice, when me a season up, I don't use no salt. Yeah, you have some people when them a season up, them use salt. No, this season already having salt. And you know, use look a chicken season that I give chicken them a nice look a pretty color. You ever see the difference when the chicken season rub on. You see pre try you know, you see look on the different you know. Chicken them get prettier now when the chicken season touch it. The great Maggie, the magic season. Look at that. Pretty and nice. And we still have something else sweet. This are the coloring season now. This make the chicken pretty, pretty, pretty. I go see what go on when we start story it. Look at this here now. I see our chicken pretty now. Extra pretty. Oh God. They never come like them season up from 3 months ago. Them just season up. Yeah man, look on that peeps. Fully active yardman style. Chicken ready for fry. Chicken ready for curry. Yeah man, over there so Percy I line up a rice pot. Now I mean throwing the milk and all of them soon show you what go on in that too. And I go put in some pepper and scallion and thyme and all of that. But them I done season up you know my peeps. So it's a good look. Fully active yardman style. Do the right thing and subscribe to the channel. Riverside active. Riverside active. Right now the fire I know want to catch up so we can put on the curry chicken you know. Yardman style, you know what I mean? Yeah man, outdoor cooking here. Me say me come see a nice little kitchen. See what them do? Them get the river stone and just go suburbs and pot them up and get ashes and put in a middle and put on them. And what this? This come like is all a engine either transmission business or what I don't know. But it a work. You know what I mean? Yes, sir, it's a good look man. Next time you see this a fire, you know, so the curry party I go see respond this. Fully active. So the rice pot big. Man put 110 pound of rice in this you know. Yeah. So we start boiling coconut milk and everything in him. This is the real authentic Jamaican cooking. Outdoor settings. Fully active. Time for put in the meat, looking at the pot, they look the papes. Yeah man, me have ginger and garlic about. You know, take out them ginger there for me. Yeah man, see I take out the ginger then. See all them ginger they throw in a rice pot. Yeah man, throw ginger in a rice pot man. Make food nice. In a real life. Alright, see that? Me I pick out the meat you know, because I don't want to throw in the carrot and the Irish them in it. Some of them maybe get way, but you know, I left the carrot and the Irish to cook down the gravy. Some normally me da cut up the carrot and the Irish last, but me just decide to yo, me do everything one time and get them out right away. So me have to just pick them out now and throw in the pot. It's like yardman style. A curry I go bad. So me make sure I burn some curry. Me make sure I burn some curry in my piece. And make sure I put some pan the meat. I see spoon, get a spoon. The one when I no hole. Yeah, take out look at the water, yeah. And throw over it. Full of craft. Yeah, cause you know the curry is a powder way. It dry. So when you throw in a pot, you have to tip a little water and cover the pot. You can go and go cook and fry down, you know what I mean? Yes, sir. Alright, that's supposed to good story in here now. You see? But I rice pot, me take that a water there. So everything have to taste nice. Believe. You see, looking at this now. Then and when the gravy, when the meat cook, and I go cook down the gravy, I throw in all of them here. Let them cook down, you know what I mean? Fully active, yardman style. This ready for your rice here now too. Now go wash the rice and put in at the pot. Cover this. So I give it more water and saying dry. Just throw him over all and for cover the pot, he might go sweat. Alright. That's a code peeps. Line up here now, wash your rice and put in a pot, rice pot ready. Do the right thing, subscribe to the channel. Now line up here now, you know. My peeps, and wash the rice. You know the thing go, drop on back two fresh gloves. Right. See you know. See? Yes sir. In Jamaica we wash our rice. Yes sir. If we even have enough water, we try our best and wash it for even one time. When we have enough water, we wash it as many times. Especially free look rice where we buy like a shop pound rice. But it's like them rice here to be honest, them clean. So you can give them one wash and you're good. You know what I mean? But free rice at Jamaica where we buy pound. You have to wash that and wash that and wash that and wash that to get a good heat. And feel steam good. Alright? I want to see look on him pretty. Yeah man. Wash him. Throw off water. One day if I find a soak away, I see one hole yesterday, so I throw in the water. I don't know if I soak away. Yeah, we'll see. Just do one more wash and that's it. As I say, all my rice you can just wash them one time, but when you think we have whole heap of water, so I give one two wash. So when I put him in a pot in steam, good and nice. Throw off water. Put rice in a pot, sir. Fully active. Rice and pea settings as you pray. When I put in rice in a pot, when you see it come above the water, you know say rice I go steam good. If you put in the rice in the pot and you don't see the water, you don't see the rice come above the water, you know what that means, you know, peeps. The rice have been too much water, rice I go spoil. And yeah man, you see good man, I igloo wash the rice in man. If me not have no wash the rice, I may have igloo to put ice in and I don't get the ice. What should I do? That's why I say you have to be fully active. Wash the rice in the igloo and wash it out back. And when the ice come, you throw it in the igloo. Can't store it, you know. Rice and peas set to lick peas. Nothing now waste, nothing now dash way. You knock it to one side. Scrape out everything. Not a code. Yeah man, look on that piece pretty. Watch out, then find a way. Yeah man, fully active man. Yardman style, you see it? Subscribe to the channel man. We're going in a rice pot here now. Yes I see it there. Rice are steamed done nice man. That's a good look. Curry pot did it so active. Right now, I line up to start do a fry some chicken. In the pot, then me have pepper and me have a onion. Yeah, man. Let them fry up, give oil a little buzz. Flour my chicken them here now and put in a pot. Now the curry pot now, I put in the carrot and all of my stuff them what they left over in the pan. I go throw them in the pot there now. Yard man style. That's a piece. Real outdoor cooking. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active, man. Love the local river vibes. Since me there, you know, my two sister, my brother just pull up. So soon show you them cause them they dump on the river. But all the people there, my father soon forward. Same way too. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active. Yes, I. That a code. Mm-hmm. On fire bun. Red and nice, my peeps. The right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Season up my curry pot you now. Flour some chicken and put in the pot you now. Then you know say me only have some vegetable to steam and the oil done cook. Believe. Right? Okay. When you fry up in a pot, you know. That's a good look. So you know that ready for your chicken. Over here, so. Wow. Look for the curry. Pretty and nice. Yes, I. All of them you know. I go throw you in. All of them gone in a pot you know. Yes. So you know a final touch business me gonna deal with pot ya. Get some water and you rinse them out. Yeah man, get some water and rinse out so you get out all of your seasoning and throw in a pot. Yes. That's a code. And you throw your final seasoning in it, whatever you want to season up the pot with. You know what I mean? Me just use some Maggi and some other season when I not tell you. Because I don't want you to take with me style throwing a pepper in that. Yes, I make this one go cook down now. You see when this cook, I don't know normal my peeps. Yeah man, look on the top, you can see the pimento seed them a swim around. Yeah man, fully active. Line up your now and flour some chicken. You know the thing go. Cover pot. Cover pot you know and time for flour chicken. See it yeah? Flour. You want to throw out your flour. Japan. Japan back of gloves. And normally when I do sometime, I just like when they on the fire long time, I just move him and put one side. Look at coloring season. Then I go flour chicken now peeps.
Line season no.
No man. The pan chicken already. That's why I wanna cook salt chicken.
That's why I wanna eat. Never fry chicken behind the salt there, boy.
No, cause I a season it.
Why, boy, you see?
I a season it, so you know I go salt.
Hey,
Yes,
people,
peeps.
here, boy.
Mm-hmm. Alright, see me now. Well, flour. A tile. A tile. A tile. Now I'm playing with them peeps. A tile. A tile. This is how we do it in Jamaica, you know what I mean? Or I should say this is how me do it in Jamaica.
Turkey like that.
Big and fat. Deep deep fry. Me I go deep fry them you know my peeps. Yeah man. Rest on back this here now.
Put over back after.
Go on a tile.
Jam them some.
It good. Me turn over my pot of chicken and me a fry you know you. And me a fry it you know you. Alright, see me. And still come like you can take more chicken for you know peeps. Cause when me a load up chicken pan, me not ramp you know. Yeah man, me no ramp man. If me turn over a pot of chicken, I feel my fault. If me put you away there and it turn over, would you admit it's your fault? No, you take long for answer, so you would admit it. Alright, chicken in a pot. Chicken in a pot. Yeah, man, you know so much chicken can go in a pot. You not come here to waste time. You not come here, you not come here to waste time, you know, my peeps. Alright.
Can't take
You not come here to. Come like, this other man a cook. I cook, sir. I smoke about what me I. Come like, this man cooking, sir. Yeah, man. See him there now? That's a code, you know. Yeah, man. Cover up pot, you know. And make chicken go boil in a oil. Then you open pot and make chicken fry in a oil. You know them craft there? Yes, I believe, no, man. What else, you know? Cover up pot. So what I go on here, so? Well, move the curry. Wow. Look at that. Curry pretty. Curry pretty. Pretty. Take a story off a rice pot and see what I go on. Over rice, me there. Whoa. 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 Yeah, man. You have to story him up in my piece. Make him swell in a pot. Story him up, make him get mad and start swell up. Yo, fully active, you know. Yo, this fully active, you know. Yeah, man. Have it taste good, man. Alright. This now want nothing more than some mouth for me half. That's a code. Let me taste what go on in the curry pot and seal it off. Taste if you want. Aye, no. Smell, you know. You know, smell. You know. Come like you want nothing. It smell good. Yeah, man. I'm active, man. Yeah, man. That's a code. Just do right thing. Subscribe to the channel. First set of chicken this, you know. Done fry. Yes, sir. You think now waste time? Now waste no time. Come here to cook food, give the people them for them eat. I'm gonna look on them in a pan. Pretty. And then a well fry. Seasoned to the bone. Drain off the oil. Pan them man with them pretty man. Load up the pot again with one more set. Think around 3 sets of chicken now to fry. And then chicken done fry. Steam the vegetable. And then you know say food done cook. You can put on gloves and flour, some more chicken to kill. So, wow. See them here, so? You're going to go fry out in the oil. So the chicken and look babes, look on them. Pretty. Yeah man, pretty and nice. Put them on the fireside and go and keep warm. See flour there under there, so. First I go flour some more chicken. You put in a pot. And then you well soak, you go look so. You're good. And then hard man style. And man load them up. Fully active over here, so. I deal with some vegetable. Yeah man, you know we are gonna steam some cabbage and carrot together. Some steamed vegetable. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so yard man style. Just a thread the cabbage in my hand. You know what I mean? Yes, I. This is how we do it. First over this I put in some more chicken in a pot. Yeah, man, load him up. So when I done now, I put on my carrot pan this, I put on my little onion, my scallion, my thyme, my little pepper, my season it up and put it on the fire. That's steamed vegetable. Yard man style. Rice done cook, curry done cook, chicken a fry, vegetable fish steam. It's a good look. When I'm done with this, make you see final touch. I put on my carrot and all of them the pan, you know what I mean? Yes, I. But we're going with the chicken pot over here. Mm-hmm. Alright, can take one more over there. Alright. Yes, I. And when you do them a type of frying, yeah, the key about it, fire. Yeah, man, a fire you want to take the chicken. The more fire you take the chicken, the better. Cause deep fry. Yard man style. So I have to well hot. When I say hot, I mean well hot. So do the right thing, subscribe to the channel. When we put on the vegetable on the fire, I'll show you what go on. Yeah man, that active you know. You seal off that already. That don't go on some mouth to eat it off. That done cook already. That done cook and go on some mouth to eat it off.
Active.
Yeah man, that fully active man. See it now fire take chicken you know. See them me? See them a boil in the oil you know. Yeah man, that me a talk about. You have to boil in the oil my peeps. And then you just cover a pot and make the fire and the pot do the work. Fully active yard man style. You know what I mean? Yes sir. When you see fire take a jar you know peeps, you know what time it is you know. Yeah man, me I take off some I eat cause don't cook you know, so me I move most of the fire them and out to stick them so somebody else can come get them to use. Yeah man, fully active man. Yeah man, that's a code man, the right thing, yeah? Fully active. Flour man, where do you put the flour for set now?
Yeah.
But I put the flour in a bag. So I put it for set. But I go fry dumpling. The oil when me use leftover from the chicken, the boss say, yo, you know, say this nice to fry two dumpling. Me just say, okay, me have flour, me have baking powder. So, boss say, Ray, vegetable one for done cook you now. Yeah, man. Just one stir. Make sure you put in raw band on the fire you know. Is it free? Yes, I. You can start share by the time you done share. Vegetable ready to go on food, peeps. Pretty. Nice yard man style. Fully active. Keep them a boss say them hungry. Sharing time you know my peeps. Yeah man look, rice and peas, curry chicken. Yeah man, curry chicken and mud. And then we put a little piece of fried chicken. And then we're good to go. Yard man style. I want to go through and share. 25 of them want to share, you know. So I have to share them balance to make it can work. That one little chicken. And I try to share it as evil as possible. Little gravy. This is how we do it in Jamaica, yardman style on the riverside. I want book Sunrise Boss. 3 spoon of rice. So me give them 3.5. Cause everything you have measurement, you know. I just you have to know what you do. Everything measurement there. I'm gonna get look gravy same way. 25 of them I share out, you know. So I just go through and I share. Put in the rice and the curry. First I put in the chicken. Look on it pretty. Fully active. Fully active, my peeps. Yes.
No, we just call everybody.
Share out and same thing. Eat them for come eat, you know, and sitting. You say them a forward?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Man, close by, man.
Yeah, man, respect me, know that. Active. Why they tell the camera? After they're willing to tell the camera.
Uptown.
Wait.
I own a friend of camera, so
Yes, I go and buy food. Nice lady.
the food tastes good, bad.
So,
But too much rice, though. I mean, I eat only for rice, but the food bad. Bad, bad, bad.
You know my style.
active.
My style is
How would that say?
yeah, about your style.
Insulin.
Yes, I buy food. Nice lady.
It's alright. You can eat. It tastes good. I joke me on it. It tastes good.
What's no over this?
Which part? Which part?
It gives you a little virus, but right now, because it's good.
Browning, taste the food and browning. Now I'm going to taste the food in front of the camera, browning. Take out a plate and tell me what I want. Man, the thing looks so. More like.
I love me drunk stage.
I mean, man, tell me food taste, man. And I drunk stage.
Okay, you can give the camera your honest opinion.
Okay.
You can taste everything and I camera know what I want, man. Naturally.
Nice.
Yeah, man, active. Nice and clean too, you know, man.
We have two little boys.
Where's the one, browning?
Right now, me black out. You know, see me come here, see me here, the place shoot me here, and I say, good enough.
No, it would not be good.
Yeah.
I don't know the 89ers. We have to big up 89ers.
No,
Alright.
one single leg for me, little baby.
It's a big man.
Yes, man, yes, man.
Yo, down road.
That's the best, man.
Curry tastes like a goat though. Like a goat.
Yo, me team one of you are fat one,
Right.
yeah? Hey, yeah?
Smile with camera, man.
No,
You're rich for it now, you know, you're good, but you're rich for it.
Yeah, man. When the camera, man, I'm always going for your food. You know what going on?
Yeah, up there. First, me knowing him. And he bad.
Yeah, man, active.
what have you?
Body they active, man.
How much count?
You have to keep on?
Who that? Oh, them coming now?
Let me stay up for my rice and food to them.
Nobody have
Any more ladies will not eat yet?
It's a nice lady, where you go?
I see my
Where
size.
food taste? Alright. Yeah.
Because you don't have to make me for the way, because I'm either intoxicated. Whatever your favorite to try too. I can try some?
Yeah, man.
Hello there, what about hello there?
Thank you. That's a way.
Marinate. Marinate. When you get time?
No, me bad for you, and me hungry, and me drunk.
You put your good though. When you can't cook so good, my you cook no.
So you don't get paid for this?
I'm tell you, to be honest, so when I cook here, I'm charge per person. $8 US and $9 US per person. And you get what you want, you eat, you know, the boss. That's what we do.
But no, I do a free bill, man.
No, no free business. Yeah, this some just work in a little package and do a little thing. So they want to understand, you see.
Alright, because that's not more.
Yeah. I'm looking for the table food and he got one for me.
You want the man want to put the car, me run after you.
Top secret. I mean, yeah, this your right thing. I know, man. Food nice.
Yes, my man.
Huh?
You know, get it from? Oh, 2 more, I don't.
Well, because I collect go kind of spot for that. Yeah, but I see, yo, I see the like I rate you, though, man. You can't do every, for that seat.
You can't have to break nothing when we want to drink. How are you, man?
You eat already? Go and go eat.
Yeah, man.
You know, they're going to call my name, so you know.
Can't do that.
Show one flower and I taste it.
But that's supposed to be
You can't discover that I know, so you know that. If you know that I cook long time father. Uptown, till you see thing load now. Jesus Christ, you one of the man. Up on the eye. I know what a float in the eye. And we have no fish fry.
I know you can't bob there. Percy. Nice and juicy.
I'm fully active man from the riverside. I tell you, everywhere you look, you can see somebody sit down eating. You do a good job, Percy and Fry. And dumpling over there. So show you what I'm going to say.
I get no food, we have to fry dumpling.
Well, so we don't get no food and fry dumpling.
Yeah.
And the first cookie this you come we don't get the food. Leave it taste good. Man, when I say I fry dumpling and dumpling, them a float in that pot.
The first fire, when sunrise, that cook fire catch up quick and quick.
Dumpling a float in that pot.
Smoke. Make it have to do me, so.
So dumpling a float, man.
I'm hungry, no?
You know you're hungry long time, you know, come and see you up here for you share your food, you know, but you see you come down, leave we not get none. Bubble it a bubble, and you really want steamed vegetable, look the person. Come and see you deal with it like you there, man.
Yo. Brother, when you cook the fire, catch up good and quick. Fire give me hell. Dumpling on top float.
You say dumpling on top float. Dumpling on top float, you know. Mash man and mash up dumpling. Right now the females them are gonna have like an activity in the evening because we are line up for left river, you know. So you know the thing go.
Where's the one just done the music so far?
No, because you know go up there so go run, so once catch some excitement, you know go run too.
No, son, me can't run.
What do you mean you cannot run?
Me high now, like high like a kite. You don't want to see me proud out.
So she a go spread out if she run. Right now them a line up to do them really a race. Belly full and all of that you know, so them a go run out back the food you know. Them a pick side.
Who else there? You're gonna lose. You gotta come, Courtney.
Yo, this is gonna be a sample race, my peeps. This is gonna be a sample race. Watch out, you gonna see this. This is gonna be a drama. Who can run from? Who can run? We're gonna see what's going on. Yes, soon. Jay. Racing time. Bike up to key.
How many persons are Natalie? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away. Come quick.
I'm a warm up for the race.
Everybody get active.
So how far we are
Come on, last.
No, we don't want last one. Are you grass so I run find out?
Yeah, make them done.
No. So 3 of them are both.
Come on, the crew.
Just see me go look on Sunrise.
You stay right here. You're up on my side, right?
And that water keep picture different for Sunrise.
Stay right there.
Yes, peeps. It's about to start Yardman style.
Natalie, you said you have 3 butlets already.
You must work out to do them. Can't lose. Yeah, man, see this stand to them I go run. I man see this stand. And here it's gonna begin, my peeps. Now they're ready to go, my peeps.
Then they tell her reach already. You want to change with him? Yeah. Come, little youth, come.
Come before Esther.
Ready, they're coming. When they give you your run, come to
Janet, I can give you and you can go get Cabell.
Ready, let's go! Take it down, that way! Rose! Rose, take it down, that way! On your mark!
Take more time, watch out.
Go back down. On your mark. Set. Go.
Hey, somebody get that drop a while ago, you see. Somebody get that drop. Yo, God, tell her kids. It's a vibes. Some set a person just come in the kitchen just to get for them food. You know, thing said. Yeah, man, fully active. Yard man style. One uptown. See this full giant himself.
When they are showing.
Come.
Come, go.
89 special. 89 a class of 89 is special.
Where's the drop?
Yes, we'll make sure the class of 89, the old people them. That them drop like that.
And then the old person drop, and a young girl drop.
So,
The old person never drop.
Who drop?
No.
So you know, sister.
Lee Bones and Courtney.
Yes.
And then Bones and Courtney.
What bones there?
Come
We
on,
can't run.
Run before you go. One run.
I run down watch and come back.
Come run before you go.
Come
and
before
watch
you
it.
go watch it.
Hear me, no, man. I can't bet for me people and wait too long, you know.
But it's not 1, 2, 3. We are taking that 1, 2, 3. Come, Courtney.
Come Sunrise TV, you come to YouTube.
no, I'm not for shot it. I'm not for be on the camera so you can watch back on yourself.
Well, you're not pregnant, so get up.
Yo, Percy!
When the sun come.
Come on.
Yo, Percy! People say you can't come race.
Come on.
Courtney, let's go.
Come on, prove say your belly big enough.
Come, Courtney, man.
Come on, man. And get your here's the ass up.
Oh, so right now, the woman them a run car go give the man them. Trouble be there. Ladies, them a run chat, they give the man and catch all the one in a block. One are fully active, you know. Who know a bet pan, peeps? Who know a bet pan?
On your mark. On your mark.
Watch ya, you know, my peeps.
Set.
Hold up. Watch ya. Watch ya. Watch ya. Watch ya. Who know a bet pan, my peeps?
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Watch ya, you know, my peeps. Watch ya, you know, my peeps. Watch out, watch out. I know the one that don't reach the peeps. Watch out. I know she don't reach. Look there. Look there. I know she don't reach. Look there. Big people race my peeps, I tell you. It's a vibes. Yo, it's a vibes, yeah, man. Come like they done the activity, you know. So I finally I go show you down on the riverside, you know what I mean? Yes, I. On the riverside are pretty. It's up on the river bank. And all the liquor and sitting there around us, so down on the river there. The sister them there too, but then they're further up the river. See them there up there, so. See them go check what go on. They're playing ring game now, peeps. Sure.
We can do it too. that mash up it thing, you know. Nobody now go split, you know. She split, nobody now go split, you know. She mash up it thing, you know. That's why nobody now split, you know. That mash up a game. That mash up a game, thieves. Nobody split him.
So what can you do, Punchinello? So we can do it too, Punchinello.
I just advanced on the riverside. It's fully active. I lie. They live in the river. Where are you done with the river?
What?
Yeah, man, you catch panic now. Me just say me have come up there now. Oh.
Can't manage. The stone is
Yes, sorry. Next sister the feet. That's right. Them are bad. Catch all that one there whitey. Oh, Patty so white.
Nathan.
There you go.